Right, with question 32, it says use the binomial theorem, write down and simplify the first three terms in the expansion of 1 plus 2x to the power 7 in the ascending powers of x. So in this case, definitely underline this here. They only want the first three terms, okay? But you are going to need Pascal's triangle all the way to power 7. So there's a little bit of work here to start with. Okay, so 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, and 1. And then we go into the 7 row, 1, 7, 21. I don't need any more than that, right? You can keep going if you want, but you only need the first three terms. Okay, so those are the first three coefficients to be done. What you do then is a plus b, of course, to the power 7, right? So this will be a to the power 7, plus then coefficient is 7. A, so you reduce them to the power 6. B, plus then the next coefficient is 21. 21, a to the power 5, b squared. Okay, so substitute that in. Okay. So a becomes 1, yeah, b becomes 2x, so it'll be 1 to the power 7, plus then 7 times 1 to the power 6, b, plus then 21, 1 to the power 5, b squared. Okay, 1 to the power 7 is 1, 1 to the power 6 is 1, it doesn't make any difference, doesn't it? Whatever power it is, it's still 1. So 7 times 1 is 7, times 2 is 14. And then 21 times 1 times, remember now this is 4, yeah? That's 4x squared when you square it. So 21 times 1 times 4 is 84x squared. Okay? And you've done part A. Part B, using your answer, it says, to part A, find the first three terms in the expansion of this. So, okay, so we want the first three terms here. Now, 1 minus 4x, the power to that bracket, of course, there's nothing there, so the power is 1, right? Which means it's already been fully expanded, okay? There's nothing more to expand on that because it is power 1. It's not as if it's squared or cubed or anything. But what we can do, now we've got this here, bracket here to the power 7, we can actually use this answer instead. Okay, that's what it's saying, use your answer to part A. So instead of having that bracket to the power 7, just put this in. 1 plus 14x plus 84x squared. And then multiply out. So when you multiply out, I focus on the 1 to start with. So I times everything in here by 1. It's a bit like FOIL, but of course you've got three terms here. Okay, but you do the same principle we've got here. You multiply everything in this bracket by the first term in here. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 14x is 14x, and then 1 times 84 is 84x squared. Okay, and then you multiply everything then by the second term. So minus 4x times 1 is minus 4x. Minus 4x times 14x. Well, 4 times 14 is 56. And x times x is x squared. And then, if you notice the last here, minus 4x times 84x squared, when you do x times x squared, you'll get x cubed. Okay, and we don't actually need x cubed. So I don't need to write it down, because I don't need the x cubed term, they only want the first three terms. So when I simplify, this becomes 1, 14x take away 4x is 10x, 84 take away 56 is 28x squared. Okay, and we're done.